Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to add three numbers using TypeScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So we have here a comment, addition.ts for TypeScript, your story, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, Maid IT, MIT. I have two websites. The first one is www.jakeRpomperada.com and then the second one is www.jakeRpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer tutorials, software development, programming, school programming assignment, thesis, capstone, web development, mobile. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. The date of recording is June 23, 2022, 12:06 p.m. Thursday. Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. So we have here three variables. Variable A, we have the value of 10. Variable B, we have 20. Variable C, we have 30. In TypeScript, we use the keyword var now to declare. Actually guys, now to give you some idea, if you have a program in JavaScript, it is compatible with TypeScript with no and small modification. So here we have your val addition. It will act as an assignment statement, equals, open and close parentheses, a plus b plus c. We have here console.log, just for new line, the title of our program, console log addition of three numbers in TypeScript. The sum of plus a, comma, plus b, plus n, plus c is, we calling the assignment statement addition, new line, and a program, which inform the user that the program has been ended. As I said, don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, the next step that we'll do is to compile. So TSC, TypeScript compiler. Okay, wait. TSC addition.ts. Just wait. So basically it will create addition.js. Okay, same thing JavaScript code, no? So let us go back here using node addition.js. Press the enter key to execute our program. So we have here addition of three numbers in TypeScript. The sum of 10, 20 and 30 is 60. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to add or addition of three numbers in TypeScript programming language. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please support my channel by sharing this to other people in social media. And then if you are new with my channel, please subscribe. Sa mga kaibigan ko, na mga kapwa ko pong Pilipino na sumaybay sa channel ko, sana po wag po kayong magsawang manood, mag-share po, at saka bago lang kayo sa channel ko, paki-subscribe lang po. Maraming salamat po guys sa inyong suporta. Hanggang dito na lang po, no? So see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.